What up, KDM Culture PH fam? It's your boy Jack, aka vipcars, back at it again with another vlog. I know it's been a hot minute. I know you guys missed me, probably just as much as I missed you. So thanks for those who are still tuned in. And you know, since we've been gone for a while, I want to come back with a vlog. You know, it's a special treat for you guys today. We're going to the Hyundai Unity meet. So it's going to be a Sunday fun day with the Hyundais. It's going to be an all Hyundai meet with some of the boys from Verna Pilipinas, and of course some of the cars I featured on KDM Culture PH as well. And this is going to be hosted by the Karrera Showroom in Alabang, along with the homie Snappy Coco. So big shout out to them for hosting this meet. It is a last minute meet though, because I believe today is the last day that they are showcasing the N-line models that they've got lined up, which is the Elantra N and the Ioniq 5N at the showroom. So you know, they wanted to throw a quick little get together, quick little meet right before the cars get taken out of the showroom. So we're gonna try to capture some cars for you guys, try to capture some of the cars coming and attending the meet and supporting. And yeah, hopefully we get some you know, a few cars to showcase to you guys. And I'll be headed out there in a little bit. Gotta go meet up with some of the boys, and then we'll all roll there together. All right, see you guys in a little bit. Money don't sleep, and I gotta get paid. Trying to lift myself up, but the devil keeps talking down on me. At the end of the day, though, you do you, but I gotta do me. Driving aimlessly, ride deep thoughts, just ride with me. Cruising over my KDM, don't say the word, just ride with me. Driving aimlessly, ride deep thoughts. thoughts, just ride with me. Cruising up with my KDM, don't say a word, just vibe with me, let's vibe.